What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel again. This is Mrs. Overthinker. So for today's video, I'm going to bring you, or I'm gonna bring you to the river. Pupunta tayo sa river, guys. We're going to the river and check for my brother's patibong. I don't know what you call that in English. Tangad in Tagalog, and it's kinda trap for the fish. Oh yeah, he's going to catch some fish, and he made a trap for fish yesterday, and now we're going to visit it if there is a fish in that trap. Okay, everyone, if you don't understand my English, please fix it. Fix yourself, not me. I'm kidding. So here po, I plan to join him. Cause I just miss to. When my dad was alive, he always do these things also. And I also join him when he is catching fish. So, like what I said po, I really like fishing. And I wanted to try fishing using fish pole. What do you call that? Fish stick? Anything, anyway. I don't know, basta fix yourself, guys. Fix your English, not mine. So, in this area, there's a lot of banana tree and mahogany tree and dalandan tree or dalandan fruit. But this property are not us. Okay? But this is not a private property. But, of course, you cannot get some fruit or any fruit bearings here. Yeah, but you can pass by. Charis.
Ako.
And I forgot to tell you guys that I bring Tiara too. So it is me, Tiara, Terence, and my brother Junie. So, yeah, guys, I bring Tiara. Even it's masukal. No?
Malinis to ano? Ito ga pinatabasan din natin, Raquel. Kaya pala malinis. Tama. Baye. Kamu nagbebed dyan tayo.
Ha?
Ba't nasa bayan ng Ate Yaya? No.
Mag-ingat kayo dyan ha, madulas dyan. Baka mahulog dalawa. Wait lang. Yuko. Yuko, bebe, yuko. Yuko, bebe. Sama pa mo.
Ano?
Dito na tayo. Di natin yan tayo.
Gilid ka lang kuya. Hindi ka nagtangad ng pante.
Anyway, guys,
Welcome to
I
City,
just
ano?
wanted to take this opportunity
kuya.
also to ask for a donations or any donations for my brother to have his fishnet, because he really wanted to have a fishnet so he can catch more fish.
Hindi ako takot.
He
Sana di ako
actually
pumapasok,
doing
takot
this
ako.
every day. doing a fish trap, but he catch only 1 or 2 fish, but not every day. But if he has the fish net, he can catch more than 3, 4, or 5. And if he catch fish more than that, he can sell the fish and he can feed his family. Since he has a lot of family members that he feed. Most of them are students. Only one that is working, or only kid that is working. Actually, guys, I bring Tiara here. Look at that. And yeah, guys, I wanted to take this opportunity to help my brother because I know how hard working he is, and he did a lot of things just to do, just to make his family better, or just to feed his family po. So, any donations po? I think the fish net cost 1,000 pesos. I think 1,000 is enough, guys. Yeah, and if it's not enough, I will add more just to give her the fish net. But I can't cover all because Christmas is coming. I had a lot of expenses too. But I want to bring, or I want to give this fish net to my brother as a Christmas gift also. He really wanted to have one because he has a fish net before. He used to have a fish net, but it's old and broken now, so it's no longer being used. So that's the reason why I wanted to give him the new one. And we were talking,
Stay there.
when we were talking at that moment, he told me that he wants to have the fish net. So my heart was like, I really wanted to give that dream, or to give that thing that he wanted po. Look at him, guys. Sorry for my camera, it's not clear, but I wanted to show you this.
Pala. Bawal bumaba. Hindi na pinadugo ang usumi-supin.
Ibaba mo, yan siya. Huwag mong paiyakin. Baba na. Shh. Lagi ka ng kaaway ng kuya. Di, mahulog ka. Shh. Stay there. Ay, matinik. Ay, oh, matinik.
Uwi na tayo.
Is actually doing something. Ah, yung pala yung bagsak. May mumu. May mumu. Kakagatin ng aswang. Okay. Ba't mas gusto mong dalag?
Meron ka nakuha ka?
Isa. Please. At least may hito.
Ito pala.
Babakli yan.
Sabi sa iyaw. Kaya yan ikaka.
Let's go. Tara, na si Tiara. O, iyon na si Tiara.
Ba?
Matapilo ka ha. Ba't di ka nang... tayo kaya kuya mga will dito minsan. May isda, Ha? Pagka will, tayo mag-try.
Yung kawil na
Tara, let's go na. Una kuya.
Hindi namin alam ang daan.
Ikaw, una. Pasali. Ayoko ang kuya. Oh. Yeah. Ikaw na magdadala kay Nene. Oh, look at this. Leaves. Ha? Ito? Oh. Maliit, kuya.
Maliit po. Ha? Oh. Ano yung may tibo? Tibo, biyaw.
So here it is, guys. We're going home and he catch one small fish. See, if he has the fish net, he can catch more. And guys, anyway, for the donations po, if you really wanted to help my brother, you can send PayPal to me and I can give the money to him, or we can buy the fish net for him. Then we will surprise him, right? The first catch will be for the family. Charot. Yeah, anyway, you can send to my PayPal or super chat or anything. It depends on you. I will promise you, I will not grant that money. I'll buy the fish net for him if you give me. Yeah, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is just a short video. I hope you like it po. So, just enjoy. Just enjoy the day.
Nina.
Thank you, people. I love you all. Be safe and God bless. Enjoy the premiere till the end.
Centuris.
Ha?
Centuris. Pusa mo nahulog kalabaw.
He. Ha? Ayun. Yun, malaki. Yun. Sayang yun. Yung matamis ang gusto ko. Okay, bye-bye.
Abay. No. May ants. Kuya na. Kuya.
Hi.
Wait lang, binubuksan pa.
Teka. Pa.
Kaka mo.
Ha?
Kaka.
Kaka.
Oo, kaka. Sabi kaka.
Kaka.
Juni.
Ne.
Kaka.
Kaka.
Juni.
Nong.
Ninong pala yan. Ninong.
Nong.
Juni.
Ne.
Ninong.
Dalawa ninong sa
Sabi Ninong.
Ninang. Ano?
Ninong.
Nong.
Juni.
Ne.
Ninong.
Nong.
Juni.
Ne.
Galing.
Tamis. Ya, Mama.
Okay. Her hair. Ninong. Okay na Ninong. Aray ko.
Galing.
Nabili pang ko yun. Nice walk.